Welcome to today's tutorial on how to use FlexClip to edit your audio or background music freely. First, click on the timeline to select the music track you want to edit. Then, you will see some editing tools above. Let's check them one by one. The first one is the volume button. You can drag the white to change the volume level or mute the entire audio with one click. If you want to set different volume levels for different parts, then you need to use another tool, Split. Select the appropriate position and click the Split button, then the audio will be split into two tracks, and you can set the volume separately. If you want your music to start or end naturally, you can set the fade in or fade out effect for it. Drag the white to apply the appropriate effect duration. If you want to change the length of your audio, click the trim button, drag the left or right orange edge, then click on any empty area to apply. Sometimes, you may need to change the scene ordering. Click the link button, then you can bind your audio to the current scene. In this way, no matter how you move the scene, the linked audio track will not be affected. Click the unlink button, and you can easily disconnect them. If your music is too short to cover the entire project, you can just duplicate it to achieve the loop playback effect. Finally, if you don't like the music, just click the trash can icon to delete it. Simple, right? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more video tips and tricks.